Hi guys! So I bought some new index cards and some box stickers, and I will unpack them now. And punch the holes in them. Where's the opening? Does that happen to you? That you can clearly see and feel the beginning, but you can't open it? So I will use my scissors. Incredible. I don't want to damage them, but I can't open this. This is not normal. Maybe it's a cheap brand. I didn't get it on Amazon, but I will link a pack of index cards on Amazon below. But what I really want is index cards in rainbow colors. I wonder if they are available. If not, I can have them maybe as a dropshipping product on my Shopify. So, what I want to use those index cards for is I want to have the 4 priorities of the day on them. So I will put 4 box stickers on them, and then also leave a bit of space for other notes or maybe meetings, like lessons, online coaching. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but I want it very clearly that those are the priorities and that I really use this and don't do anything else except what is on the card. And for example, for today, I have to get out my phone and my calendar. And today I'm seeing Belinda and I have a live, and that's all. So those are appointments. So I will put the appointments extra. So that's 3 p.m. my friend Belinda, and 5:30 there's a live. Today is Italian, and I've scheduled it for mobile devices because I know I will be on the road, or I will be with Belinda, or maybe saying goodbye and then having the live or something. So now I need the 4 priorities for today, which is very difficult because I didn't really do much so far, and it's 2 p.m. I only drove here, I charged my car, and I did my morning routine. So Sorry. Things are always sliding and then they are falling here in my car. That's normal. Things don't stay here too much. So those are my recurring tasks. So my AM routine, I'm writing down here, is 10k steps. I did that. Then it should be sugar-free eating. I did not do that. I have to find a better solution. And well, I started sugar-free, but then I fell off. And then I did my hiking guide. I'll use the sidebar. Hiking guide I did. I did social media, one post. And I did the shorts on YouTube. So, PM routine. I will color code this all after that, but I wanted to start with the erasable pen in case I have to erase something. So PM routine, that's, well, after the live, that's one class on Skillshare. That's finding a parking lot to stay overnight because I'm living in my car. And then that's, yeah, check, so that I don't forget anything. Yeah, bathing or showering, but I will write down bathing. Today is hair, but I know that. Maybe I'm showering, that's easier. And then meditation. I'm running out of space. I won't write Italian so that I have more space here on the bottom. So meditation, journaling, and reading. Yeah, it's a lot. It's always a lot. Are there any weekly tasks? Today is Friday. Yes, I have to check italki. Where can I put it? I think I have to put the, you know, the appointments in one of the 4 boxes, because I don't have enough space around all that. So I will put those here. And the live 5:30. And then I can put the weeklies and monthlies here. I will put W for weekly. That's italki today, so I have to check if I have ordered enough lessons with my teachers, the native speakers who will translate and record the audios for all my language learning videos. And maybe I know that there is the 13th and the 28th. That's not today, so good. And then the yearly taxes. Yeah, I have to continue with the taxes. But then I also have a catch-up task. I will write Y for yearly and put taxes. And then I have a catch-up task. So I have to catch up on the links in my December hiking guide. And now I can put the frogs. So frog 1 is always Canva, because that is what I'm starting with. And it's still hygiene because I made some changes a few weeks ago, and then I have to change it in the text of those. They are ready, but I took the wrong document. And then frog 2 is editing. And I will edit the 1000 verbs. I think Italian Russian is not ready. I have to check. I think it's ready. I think I did it yesterday. It's not here. It's in the YouTube app. So in my Pocket Love It account, that's the one. Those are the bilingual videos. Spanish audio, Russian text. Yes, that's done. So the next one to edit is get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. The Italian audio with German text. And then the third frog is the group lesson blog post. And I have to change the prices because I changed them in the German version, but no, it's not Polyglot Mona, it's Polyglot Pocket. All my links in my description. You don't have to know this by heart or write down. Ooh, not found? What is it? Polyglot pocketloveit.wordpress.com. Oh yeah, there's something in the end. So, in German, my group lesson blog post, lessons, and then here's my prices for single lessons, and that's the group lesson. And yeah, I changed a lot. I changed the times and the design of the text. So this is all now visible better. Then some explanations and structure and costs. So, but I translated the text and I sent that to my teachers and they corrected it. and some things were difficult to translate, so they asked me, but now it's ready, and that is what I have to put on the blog at the places where before there was something else. Yeah. And no place for any one-off tasks. And also I don't have a lot of time because I'm meeting with Belinda now and then the live, and then I only have the evening. But I did some of those things, so I can mark some of the things already. So I did the 10k steps, the sugar-free only half, so I will mark sugar in green but free in red, so half it was okay, half not. I did hiking guide, the photos, I did a social media post, and I did some shorts, and nothing from here, and nothing from here, nothing from here, and nothing from here. Yeah, but I will meet Belinda now, and I hope you enjoyed that little plan with me, plan my day video, and I wish you a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.